So most people have no idea that Facebook will actually pay you as an everyday person to post content. You absolutely do not need a massive following or a fancy camera. You just need to understand how the Facebook system works. If you're a complete beginner, you're just a regular smegular person, I'm going to show you exactly how the Facebook monetization program works in 2025. Right now, we are in November. Today, Facebook is the highest paying social media application. I have been able to make thousands of dollars just by posting videos while I'm home with my kids. I'm going to break the entire thing down to you guys step by step so you can do the same. So step one, you have to understand exactly what Facebook is paying you for. So Facebook has a boatload of different programs that you can monetize from, but as a beginner, you want to completely focus on the Facebook monetization program. Program is going to be the easiest, the simplest way to make money just from posting. So in the content monetization program, you can make money from text, photos, reels, as well as stories. Step two, you want to make sure you are eligible for this program. What you want to do is head over to your professional dashboard on your Facebook, click on monetization, and check your eligibility. Facebook is going to show you exactly which features you are able to monetize on. Each one of these monetization features are going to have their own criteria that you need to meet. If you're someone that just has a regular profile, you most likely won't be able to even see these options because your profile has to be in professional mode. To put your profile on professional mode, you simply want to go to your Facebook profile. You want to tap on those three dots that are on your profile to go to the menu. You're going to scroll down and you're going to hit turn on professional mode. That is for if you are using a personal page. If you have a Facebook professional page, like a page as in a public figure page or a business page, then you will be able to see those monetization features and whether you meet the eligibility for those features literally right there on the page. 3 is going to be post content that works. No, you do not have to make dance videos and you don't have to make vlog videos. Post faceless content, you can post tutorials, you can do storytelling, you can post motivational clips, anything that is going to keep the people watching. With the Facebook monetization program, the key is consistency as well as watch time. You need people watching your content. Facebook is going to reward creators that keep people on their app. So remember, with this program, you are getting paid to post. So that means not only posting reels, you're also posting text, you're also posting photos, as well as posting in your stories. You have to figure out which form of content is going to work with you. So personally, if I come to you and say, oh, I'm posting reels and I'm making thousands of dollars, just because that's working for me, that doesn't mean it's going to work for you. Photos might work better for you. Once you figure out the content that works best for you, the content that is getting the most eyes on your page, you want to take that content, rinse and repeat. Stick to that piece of content. I want you guys to remember, those of you who want to do video content, that reels that are 8 to 15 seconds tend to perform better. Always, always, always make sure your content is relatable and shareable. We need those shares. When it comes to making money on Facebook, you have to be consistent. So you should be posting at least 3 to 5 times a week. I would love for that to be 3 to 5 times a day. The bare minimum is 3 to 5 times a week. You are not invited into this program yet because it is invite only. You need to be posting as much as possible to increase your reach. Increasing your reach, getting more people on your page, getting your engagement up is going to trigger Facebook and they are going to send you the invite faster. So step 4, once you're in the program, you receive your invite. Congratulations. Most people are still waiting for that invite. You then have to go ahead and set up your payments. This is how you're going to be paid. Yes, it's completely safe. I get a lot of people asking, oh, is it safe to put my social? Yes. If Facebook itself is asking for it, then it's completely safe, but do not give that information out to anybody else. 5 is going to be to optimize your profile for engagement. When you get this monetization feature, you have to remember the more people that like, comment, share, and engage, the higher your payouts will be. Troll those people and rage bait those people. Honestly, content that's controversial is going to get the most engagement because people are more likely to comment something negative than they are to comment something positive. That's just how most people are. If your house is dirty and your life is a mess, go ahead and post it. You're going to be monetizing from it. Let's get into some main things that I need you guys to avoid doing. Number 1, when you are filming your videos, please make sure you're filming vertically. Do not film horizontally like you're filming for YouTube, because that's going to put a black screen on your video and Facebook is going to pick that up as low quality. Second thing you want to avoid doing is posting videos that already have sounds on them. So if you're driving your car and you had music playing, do not post that video with that sound, because Facebook will pick up on that sound and you will get flagged for copyright and they will take away your monetization. So just do not post any videos that have an existing sound on it. Third thing you should avoid doing is reposting someone else's content. Facebook is really not playing when it comes to stealing people's content. They actually just released a new feature that lets you know when someone else is posting your video and they're actually monetizing from your video. You can then flag that person and just delete the video from their page entirely. Fourth and the last thing you guys should be avoid doing is making posts on Facebook that's saying Facebook pays me for engagement, so engage on this post. People do not want to see you win. People do not want to see you make money from them, basically, because you're telling them to engage, you're telling them to help you make money. People don't want to see that, so avoid making posts like that. When I first got monetized, my first payment was not life-changing. It was literally $62. That's $62 that came from videos that I made at home on my spare time. That also led me to making amounts like $6,000 or $7,000. So you're literally going to start off with small deposits. Then those small deposits are going to change into large deposits. It's then going to turn into a consistent income doing something that you would already love doing, like creating content. I don't know about you guys, but I love creating content. So if you're someone that's ready to stop posting content for free, turn on your professional mode, start tracking your analytics and seeing whichever content is performing the best, and build something that pays you every single month. So you guys subscribe to this channel, not for me, but really for you. This channel is here to serve as a free resource to help you guys boost your brand and build your income.